Hello, it's Helen in Felting, and today is a story about Freddie Mercury and his royal robe. In 1986 he called his designer and costume maker Diana Mosley and told her, I feel that it's like a flavor in our tour. I need some very, very strong outfit. And she asked him what did he want, and he told, I want a crown and robe gone. What? She re-asked him, what kind of a crown? The crown, the real crown? He told, yes, the iron one with fake gems and with a fur, so royal crown, and the mantle. Diana made the crown, and it was fantastic, and the royal robe was made of 14 meters of scarlet velvet with ermine fur and lined with scarlet bright silk. And when the costume was ready, Diana told Freddie, yeah, I think it's a strong outfit. It's really spectacular. Yes, it was spectacular. The crown. Yes, it's strong outfit. I feel very different. So, subscribe